Procedures for applying for a 5-year visa exemption certificate. To apply for a 5-year Vietnam Visa Exemption certificate, applicants need to follow the following 2 steps. Step 1. Prepare documents. Application documents for a 5-year visa exemption certificate depend on the applicant, including Vietnamese people residing abroad who do not have a Vietnamese passport, and foreigners who are spouses, children of Vietnamese citizens, or Vietnamese people residing abroad. For Vietnamese people residing abroad who no longer have Vietnamese nationality, also known as Viet Kieu. To apply for a 5-year visa exemption certificate, applicants need to prepare 1. A declaration form. The person requesting a visa exemption certificate needs to fill out an online declaration form and print it out. The declaration link is in the description. 2. Foreign passport. Present or send the original. Submit 1 copy for file storage. Passport must be valid for at least 12 months, but should be 5 years and 6 months to be granted a 5-year visa. 3. 2 recent color photos, size 4 cm by 6 cm, or 2 inches by 2 inches, white background, face looking straight, no tinted glasses, no hat. 1 photo attached to the application form. 1 photo pinned or attached to the application form. 4. Documents proving that you are a Vietnamese residing abroad. Present or send the original. Submit 1 copy for file of one of the following documents. Birth certificate, certificate of Vietnamese nationality, decision to regain relinquish Vietnamese nationality, certificate of loss of Vietnamese nationality, expired Vietnamese passport. People with a valid Vietnamese passport are not eligible for a visa exemption certificate. ID card, still valid or expired. Latest voter card, household registration book. Documents issued by a competent foreign authority if it states that the person issued the document has Vietnamese nationality or origin. 5. In case the above documents are not available, the applicant can submit a letter of guarantee from the Association of Vietnamese People Abroad. This letter of guarantee does not require further confirmation or authentication. For foreigners who are spouses or children of Vietnamese citizens or Vietnamese people residing abroad, the required documents include 1. A declaration form. The person requesting a visa exemption certificate must fill out an online declaration form and print it out. 2. 2 color photos recently taken, size 4 cm by 6 cm or 2 inches by 2 inches, white background, face looking straight, no colored glasses, no hat. 1 photo attached to the declaration form. 1 photo pinned or attached to the declaration form. 3. Foreign passport. Present or send the original. Submit 1 copy for file storage. Passport must be valid for at least 12 months, but should be 5 years and 6 months to be granted a 5-year visa. 4. Present or send the original. Submit 1 copy for records of one of the following documents to prove the relationship as husband, wife, child of a Vietnamese citizen or of a Vietnamese person residing abroad. Marriage certificate, birth certificate, certificate of relationship between father, mother, child. Other valuable documents as prescribed by Vietnamese law. Decision to adopt a child. Step 2. Submit these documents to the competent authority to issue visa exemption certificates, which are Vietnamese diplomatic missions abroad or the Vietnam Immigration Department under the Ministry of Public Security if you are in Vietnam. In case you are in Vietnam and do not have time to contact the Vietnam Immigration Department directly to apply for a 5-year visa exemption, please contact Viet Power Travel according to the information below the description for support. Fee for applying for a 5-year visa exemption. The fee for applying for a 5-year visa exemption may vary depending on the issuing unit, Vietnam Immigration Department, or Vietnamese Embassy or Consulate General abroad. If applying at the Vietnam Immigration Department, then fee for issuing a visa exemption certificate for the first time, $20 USD. Fee for issuing a visa exemption certificate from the second time onwards, $10 USD. Processing time for a visa exemption certificate for foreigners. Usually, the processing time is 5 to 7 working days from the time the reviewing agency receives a complete and valid application. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact us via the information in the description. Thanks for watching.